This video is for grade 8, so this is number 10 in your multiple choice review package. So I noticed that people were having trouble when the result came out to a fraction, but you still are just doing the same exact thing to solve for x. So we're just trying to solve this equation. I'm going to do my work on the side here so that I have enough space, but the first thing I'm doing is distributive property. So I'm distributing the 2 inside. So I do 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6, so plus 6. And then I keep my minus 5 equals, now I'm just rewriting everything, 17 minus 4x. Okay. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to combine the 6 and the 5 here. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2x plus, so 6 minus 5 is 1, equals 17 minus 4x. So now we have a variable on both sides. We're trying to collect all of the x's and then isolate x to figure out what one x is. So I know that you guys prefer to bring all of the x's to the left because you find it's easier, but it would give you exactly the same answer if you put them on the right. So what I'm going to do is, since this is a negative 4x, I'm going to do plus 4x plus 4x. So this becomes 6, this will go away. So 6x plus 1 equals 17. If you feel comfortable doing both of these steps in one shot, that's no problem. So now that I have 6x plus 1, I want to bring the number that's like this constant here to the other side with the 17. So I'm going to subtract 1. 17 minus 1. So 6x is equal to 17 minus 1, which is 16. So the last thing really to get x by itself would be to divide by 6. Since this is 6 times x, if I want to undo that and find out what 1x is, I'm going to divide by 6. So this goes away. Divide by 6. Okay, and that's not something that we can divide easily because 16 divided by 6 is going to give us a decimal number. So really, x equals 16 over 6 is an answer. But the options that they've given you don't have those numbers in it, and that's because if you reduce that, if you divide both of these numbers by 2, that is also equal to 8 over 3. So I just did 16 divided by 2 is 8, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that's just the reduced fraction. So your answer is B, 8 over 3.